The honey badger enters a wild dog den with pups inside. Dangerous territory. The adult wild dogs arrive in a blur, surrounding the entrance in seconds. This is the moment most animals flee. The honey badger doesn't. It turns to face them, 1, 10 or more, unimpressed by size, teeth or numbers. The dogs rush in hard, snapping and lunging, trying to force the intruder out into the open. The honey badger stays low and tight, taking hits on its thick, loose skin, then firing back with sudden, precise bites. It's trapped between attack and defense, with almost no space to counter. Yet one dog yelps as the badger clamps onto a leg. Then, a tactical shift. The badger retreats and dives for the nearest burrow, using the tunnel as temporary armor. Outside, the pack forms a living barricade. They don't leave. They won't forgive. A second dog lunges too close. Again, the honey badger grabs the leg, dragging the fight outside again. The dogs surge, relentless, but they still can't land a finishing bite. Time passes. The pack tires. The badger doesn't. And when a gap finally opens, the honey badger explodes forward, slipping through the line and vanishing into the open grass, undefeated. African wild dogs live in open savannas and woodlands across sub-Saharan Africa. Pups are born in hidden dens and depend completely on adults. Mothers nurse and guard them, but the entire pack helps. Older siblings babysit, clean, and regurgitate food. This cooperative care creates strong bonds. Young dogs learn social rules early, growing confident through constant contact, play, discipline, and protection from predators and hunger. Survival depends on unity, patience, and calm leadership from experienced females and males alike together. Wild dogs hunt mainly at dawn and dusk, avoiding extreme heat. They rely on endurance rather than stealth, chasing prey until it collapses. Packs coordinate silently, cutting off escape routes with precision. Their diet includes antelope, gazelles, and small mammals. After a kill, eating is fast and intense. Dominance matters less than efficiency, because sharing ensures everyone feeds quickly before rivals arrive. Successful hunts reinforce cooperation and allow adults to return food to pups waiting at dens safely each day. African wild dogs are lean, powerful animals, built for stamina and speed. They can maintain high speeds over long distances, exhausting stronger prey. Strength comes from teamwork, not size. Within the pack, aggression is rare. Members greet with excitement, vocalizations, and ritualized gestures. Clear hierarchies reduce conflict, while cooperation dominates daily life. This social harmony makes them one of Africa's most successful predators. Trust, coordination, and shared purpose keep groups stable even during stress, injury, and constant environmental pressure together.